What is up you guys? Dr. Momentum back at it again with another video. And right now very urgent itong video na to, kaya ginawa ko na kaagad nung hindi ako busy. At ngayon yung oras na yon. Happy Sunday mga boss and God bless. Ingat kayo papuntang church kung pupunta man kayo mamaya. So bakit naging urgent to guys? So gusto kong i-explain sa inyo dahil pag ito ay nagmaterialize, nako, delikado si Bitcoin. So dito sa channel natin, hindi tayo nang-hype, hindi rin tayo nag-FUD. Okay? So nagbe-base lang tayo sa ginagawa ng price action. So in essence, neutral lang tayo. Kung ano yung ginagawa ng price action, yun yung binabalita natin. Okay? So mamaya nating ibabalita yan. Before that, review muna natin yung price action ni BTC, ano? So previous resistance would be 109k and last line of support would be 89,000. Okay, as you can see, nasa range tayo, range market. So ano ba yung range market? That is a sideways trend. So meron tayong uptrend, meron tayong downtrend, and meron tayong sideways. So right now we are on a sideways. So the top range would be 110,000 and the bottom range will be 89k. So measure muna natin yan sa Fibonacci kung bullish pa ba. Again, pinag-usapan na natin to, pag above 0.382, that is still bullish for us. Pag pumunta sa 0.5 level or nag-below sa 0.5 level, nagganyan yan dyan, that is a bearish or a bad sign. Okay? Pero right now, above pa sa, hindi nga sa 0.382 kundi sa 0.236, above pa. Pero mukhang i-break yan. Okay? So, as of now, as of this time of recording the video, I am still bullish on Bitcoin. And take note guys, yung another indicator natin, which is yung moving average. Hindi ko alam bakit nawala, pero 50 dapat dyan, is above pa ng price, which is a dynamic support as well. So looking good pa rin. Pero Doc, ano ba ang tinitingnan mo dyan? Bakit delikado si BTC? So gusto kong ituro sa inyo itong RSI. So ito ay isa sa mga tinitingnan natin pagdating sa RSI, kaya nandyan yan lagi. So by the way, sa mga hindi nakakalam, ang RSI po ay isang indicator na ginagamit natin to identify momentum coins. Dahil kaya nga Dr. Momentum. So ano ba yung gustong ituro ni Doc? So another video, another lesson na naman, ano? So ito yung gusto kong ituro sa inyo. Hindi na tayo mag-run over dito kasi medyo mahaba, pero ito yung gusto kong ituro sa inyo at ito yung nangyayari ngayon. So as you can see here, focus lang kayo dito sa regular divergence. So this one is bearish, no? Bearish divergence. So ito yung RSI, ito yung RSI. Okay, ito yung price. Okay? So nandiyan naman na yan. So anong nangyari sa RSI niya dito? Nag-high, nag-low, nag-lower high. Okay? So para bang ito yung highest high, tapos nag-create siya ng lower high. Okay? So dito, nag-high and then nag-create ng higher high. Okay? So parang bumaliktad. Okay? So remember this pattern, remember this pattern. Okay? So ano ba ang ginagawa ni BTC? So medyo in-depth to guys, no? As you can see, hindi mo basta-basta itong makikita kung ikaw ay beginner pa lamang sa larangan ng technical analysis. So one of the three pillars of trading is technical analysis. So it's very important to master this. That's why I'm teaching you this. Look at this guys. Look at this. I want you to focus on this. High. Okay, high. And then nag-create siya ng higher high. Would you agree? Because the previous high would be 108,000 in this level. Sige, gawin nating so in-depth so you can see. So, ito yung naabot niya. This is 108,000. Parang ang pangit ng drawing niya na. So, and this one is 109K. So, would you agree that is a higher high? So, dito, high. Sorry guys ha, kung pinapaulit-ulit ko, but because I want you to, in essence, maintindihan nyo to. Okay? Kasi minsan nyo na nga lang papanoorin. Dapat mag-gets nyo na. Higher high. Okay? So, nakita nyo yung difference, and balik tayo sa pattern in case. So, high and then higher high. Anong tinitingnan natin sa divergence? Bearish, higher high, and then lower high. Anong nangyari dito? In this case, ang nangyari, high, and then nag-lower high. Tumataas yung presyo pero bumababa yung RSI. Okay? Which is a sign of a bearish move. Okay? So pag nagmaterialize yan, we are looking to retest this 89,000 level. Okay? But before you exit or before you quit, hindi naman lahat ng divergence tumutuloy. Okay? So, ito ay theory lamang na minsan nagkakatotoo pero minsan hindi. Bakit? Kasi pwedeng magkaroon ng bull trap or bear trap. In essence, pwedeng magkaroon ng bear trap dyan. Bear trap. At bumalik yung presyo dito. And then, ma-wipe na tong divergence na yan. Okay? Magkaroon ulit ng another high dyan. Pero we don't know that. That's why we are just formulating our biases. Okay? So, sana may natutunan kayo. Kung meron kayo natutunan, which is alam kong meron, i-comment mo naman. RSI divergence. Okay? So, by the way, malapit na ang ating i-announce ko lang, malapit na ang ating Discord. So, what to expect on the Discord? By the way, it's not just Discord. It is a 3-day momentum workshop wherein ituturo ko yung buong sistema ng ating momentum trading. And after natin maturo yung momentum trading, mapupunta kayo dun sa Discord wherein yun yung magiging community natin sa future at yun ay magiging batch 1 ni Dr. Momentum. So, kung ready ka nang matuto ng momentum trading, kung ready ka nang matuto ng ating sistema, kung ready ka nang i-up yung trading game mo to the next level, tayin-tay lang for our further announcement. Pero for now, again, magtuturo pa rin tayo ng libreng technical analysis for free. Okay? Always giving value for free. Sana may natutunan kayo. Happy Sunday. God bless you all. Dr. Momentum out.